In this video we're going to take a quick look at the FAQ section. So if you've been following along, you probably know how to create pages and posts and portfolios and things like that. So FAQs shouldn't really be too difficult at this point for us. So here's an example of an FAQ section. You can have categories, and in each category then you can have different FAQs with different content in them. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to jump into our WordPress dashboard, click on FAQs, and you can see here I have four FAQs already, and we can add new and we can also create categories. So I'll just click into categories real quick and I'll create a new one. Call it category 3, and again you can name these categories to something more appropriate to your business or your services or your products. Or you might not need any categories at all, you could just have one category and call it general or something like that. Okay, so I've just created a third. Now I'm going to go to add new, and we're going to add a brand new FAQ. So it's very similar to a post or a page. I'm not going to use the Fusion page builder for this, but you can if you want. Generally it's just text, so there's no real point. So this is just going to be some frequently asked question, number 5. And I'm just going to take some dummy text here and paste it into the body, and we can assign it to a category or multiple categories if we want, if we think this question or this FAQ stretches across a number of categories. I'm not going to bother with a featured image. I don't think they're really applicable to FAQs, but you can add one if you want. So I'm going to hit publish, and that's our FAQ created, and it should automatically populate itself into the FAQ section. So there it is, there's number 3, and we can see that question 5 is there, and it should also be under number 2 and also under number 1. And then we can expand that by clicking on it and read the text and paste it in. Very, very easy. So how did we get that to display on a page, first of all? Well, that's the part I just want to explain to you. So if you don't have an FAQ section set up on your website, this is what you would do to get it to display. So first of all, you create a new page, which I've done. I've already created it here, called FAQ. So let's click into that. Next, I used the Fusion page builder and I added an element called FAQ, which is here, and then I just set my options. Very, very simple. So let's just edit the one that's existing on this page already, and here's my options. So I've set these to default, blank, blank, pretty straightforward, and I saved the changes, and then I went down to appearance. I saved this page, I published this page so that the page existed with the FAQs on it, so there's the link there. And then I went down to appearance, menus, and then I just simply added the new page that I created to my menu and saved my menu. So I'm just going to delete that. We already have it up here anyway. And save. So that's an overview of the FAQ section and how easy it is to create, set up and add content to.